Maraming salamat sa pagdalo sa coverage ng aming pangalawang laro dito sa Calasaw Sports Complex. This is Javi Palanya alongside Coach Mike Perez and Ms. Gianna Lianes. Day 66 of your Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League's few years back. And of course, John being a former MVP and former champion in this league, he brings so much to the table.
Yeah, and you know, very complimentary for now. As the games would go, you would understand that he's going to be a key marked man para dito sa Rice Vanguards.
Robbie Celis scoring the first basket of this game. Sazon, the turnaround jumper, is also good. Offensive rebound.
Well, that's a surprise contribution para dito kay John. You see him, another offensive rebound this time around. He got that putback.
Last time John Wilson was able to play in an MPBL game as a member of the Nueva Ecija Rice Vanguards. Ramirez from the corner, that rattles in. Well, Ramirez playing the two-man game with Gabawan. That's intercepted by Wilson. Minus to beat. Wilson gets the basket and one.
Now, if this is going
racing ever since he was a kid until now, and this inspires his need for speed on court as well. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Gianna. Excellent report. That's a very interesting topic. Gives it for Wilson. The corner pass. Calo, does it settle? Wilson does. That's short. Macaloni, the easy putback para sa kanya.
well, that's the value that you
Go
get.
short on the three-point shot. Ball tap to Robbie Darang. Bringas is trailing behind, but Robbie Darang takes it himself and makes it.
So the three-pointer continues to be
Bringas. Santos now from the corner swishes it through.
7 versus 2 out of 7. Same attempts, but 6 more points in favor of Bataan.
But
Finally.
the answer by JC Cuellar brings the lead back. Darang trying to reject the screen, but turns it over. Celis ahead of the pack. That's an easy 2 points para kay Robbie Celis.
This is what I was saying.
Grimaldo trying to back down once again. Ito si Will Macaloni. Grimaldo, he's known for those one-hand shots, those big hands aiding.
Those big hands that allow you to shoot one-handers like that.
16-12. Villarias from the outside. And this might just be the rhythm that you... Under a minute to play here in the first. Macaloni will take it from the free throw line. No problem para kay Will Macaloni.
No, he's used to those perimeter shots.
Because he was sacrificing a lot on in terms of speed.
But that was a tough decision, I guess.
Oh yeah, for
Kasi,
sure. Harvey's with the team for quite some time already.
Right, then that's another 3 right there.
On our first quarter score brought to you by GameX. GameX Sports, the official online basketball lending partner of the MPBL. Stop for Bataan. Let's see if they can capitalize. Soriano from the corner. That is good para kay Jeremiah Soriano.
And it's take it from there. But the efficiencies have been pretty decent para dito sa Bataan Risers.
Bayo from 17 feet knocks it down. Tried to spin on the defense. Picked up by Biton. Bayo sidestep. What a beauty right there coming from JB Bayo.
And JB Bayo is one big man that actually can run the floor, close out long, and even if he gets deflections, can finish in open floor.
Sazon, one dribble pull-up. Jumper is pure. That's specialty of the house para kay Yves Sazon. Bataan continues to play this zone. Bayo again from the free throw line. He's got it stuck on automatic. And there's a steal here for the Risers. And this might get James Castro going.
Yeah, yung mga situations.
Screen from Magbuhos. Gets it back. Bitoon.
Wow.
That's all nylon para kay Chris Bitoon.
And kanina pinag-usapan natin it really is, the difference really is the perimeter mix. It's +6 in favor of Nueva Ecija, and 3 right there by Lastimosa. Pinag-usapan natin yan. He can shoot it from the outside. Not just for Nueva Ecija, the games are becoming very interesting now because you've got the top teams and teams who have actually gelled. It's like Vince Magbuhos with that 3 in the corner.
Against the Parañaque Patriots, getting some early burn here in the first half. Dom Vera has also come on para naman sa Bataan Risers, and instant impact para sa kanya. Oh, that's a dangerous pass. And Eman Calo will finish the 2 points.
Well, Eman Calo is your number.
3 players rising from that Nueva Ecija bench. That's Celis, Macaloni, and JC Culliar. Bitoon from the free throw line. It's money para kay Chris Bitoon.
Yung mga intangibles, na hindi na may measure. Pag nandun si Eman, medyo alam mong energy-wise, nandun eh.
Jamil Gabaon hopes that that basket will affect the energy of the Bataan Risers here. And the Risers, that's another miss from downtown para sa kanila. Eman Calo will not be shy, and why not?
Wow. Joseph Gabay really had all day after he went out. Speaking of Mitch.
Robbie Celis, follow-away jumper is good right there. 8 points now in the game. Our halftime score brought to you by GameX. GameX Sports, the official online basketball lending partner of the MPBL.
I think itong quarter na to, makikita natin mas better activity from John Wilson on the offensive end.
Minus trying to break down the defense of Eman Calo. Almost walked there, floats it up and in. Mitchell Minus. That's the way you want to start the third quarter if you're Castro. It's a screen from Grimaldo. He turns the corner. Castro goes inside and scores.
Yun talaga craftiness na sa
because he shoots behind his head.
Tsaka medyo mataas rin yung release niya, no?
Bitoon momentarily open. That's all the space he needs.
Yeah, you can't allow stop and a conversion the other way or make the single digit. Watch out for John. He's gonna try and get to that corner.
Magbuhos hit 2 3-point shots in the first half, and he continues to be poisoned for shot. Another botched opportunity there for Bataan. Ayaay finds Villarias. Bullseye!
Hindi ka pwede magpahinga pag nag-turnover ka.
Mitchell Minus tried to get it to Jeff Santos underneath, but here comes Chris Bitoon finishing on the other side.
Kahit sino makakuha ng bola sa turnover para dito sa Nueva Ecija, immediately siya na yung point guard, can make decisions out in the open floor.
Minus had Vince Magbuhos all over him, but created a little separation to get off that shot.
Yeah.
We go to the other side. Nueva Ecija gets it to Villarias, and that is pure nylon para kay Byron Villarias. Hits Villarias. That's excellent defense. Santos goes up, couldn't kiss it off the glass. Mitchell Minus. What an effort from the former Pampanga Giant Lantern. Lastimosa lost it, got it back. Lastimosa gets an opening and able to get the 2 points.
Yan yung difference, I guess.
Well anticipated there by Vince Magbuhos. Culliar gets it back. JB Bahio able to get it on the reverse.
JB Bahio is gonna...
Third quarter score brought to you by GameX. GameX Sports, the official online basketball lending partner of the MPBL. Bahio sets the screen. Culliar back to JB. Bahio will score again. That 15 to 18-foot range has...
Especially in that first quarter run, where they had a difficult time scoring against the zone.
Castro blocked there by Macaloni, but Carbringas recovering underneath to score to pay. Grimaldo, the bounce pass. Astro Boy will get the 2 points.
One of the really just making things whatever he can do for the game.
Jason Grimaldo beating the shot clock buzzer there.
Pagkakataon ka pa dito. Oh, man.
Wilson, quick trigger. No good, but Eman Calo coming out of nowhere. Castro trying to dance with Will Macaloni. Gets the basket off the glass. The hard show by Jason. They go to Eman Calo. What a bailout shot by Eman Calo.
Yeah.
To go baseline. Minus. Gets it back to Ramirez. Adrian off the glass and in.
Kaya yung mga one-on-one has to be on point. Kasi wala sila halos two-man game. They don't have screen actions, right? And so they just allow one-on-one. Oh, what a move by Rob Celis. Man.
Just when you guys block winding down now. Bitoon against another lefty. Idrobi Darang, Chris Bitoon making the most out of that matchup. Basket and one. Power dribble, wala pa rin. Robbie Darang, short jumper is good.
Yun yung
Nueva Ecija forces another turnover. Wilson to Calo. Wow, picture perfect fast break para sa Nueva Ecija.
How about John? One possession. Could have been won games on their end.
Oh, Will Macaloni this time getting a pass from Chris Biton off the two-man game. We now enter the final 2 minutes of this one, brought to you by GameX. GameX Sports, the official online basketball
there
ending
you go.
partner of the MPBL. Basta ending GameX. Mitchell Minus scoring from the outside. Byron Lastimosa.
Good defense.
Bullets a pass inside. Minus had to adjust, but still gets the two. 82-70. Gonna have to melt away as much clock from that game clock as possible.
And they're going to milk this matchup.
Will Macaloni could not hit. Gets his own miss. Napaganda pa para kay Will Macaloni.
And katulad,
Another double-digit victory para dito sa Nueva Ecija. 85-70 our final score, brought to you by GameX. GameX